Hello, this is Dr. Jeff Kim. Glad to be on the beautiful campus of University of California, Irvine.
We're here standing outside the Irvine Barclay Theater, where today we have the opportunity to hear a lecture from Blizzard Entertainment's co-founder and former CEO, Mike Morhaime.
We're really excited here today because this is going to be one of our first opportunities as a part of the game design pathway to bring students out here to meet, interact, and hear from some of the innovative leaders of the game development industry.
And it is the golden age of gaming.
You know, what a unique opportunity for our students. We have students coming from around the AUHSD, some specifically from Catella, where our new game design pathway is being launched. It's one thing to have the adults in the room, the educators, but to have an entire audience of young people at the top to inspire our young people in AUHSD, that's what we're here to do.
I mean, all across the world, when you talk about games, Overwatch, World of Warcraft,
Diablo, you know, heavy PC gaming, but they were one, you know, I'd argue some that put, you know, gaming on the map. And so then, yeah, being able to talk directly with those who are presenting and, you know, introduce ourselves and share the work that we're doing, their eyes lit up, and now we're going to continue those conversations directly with them to continue to change this world and, you know, ignite students, you know, creativity, right? And capitalize on their passions and turn into purpose.
What kind of jobs are out there in gaming? Yes, of course you have the coders, but then you also need the lawyers, you need the business, you need the advertising, you need so many different kinds of jobs.
We're hoping to go take a look at that in just a moment.
Mark Deppie, welcome to the UC Irvine Esports Arena. This facility, which opened in 2016, almost 10 years ago, is a first of its kind facility on a college campus on the planet.
A+ experience.
So let's go.